Alright, so this is a brand new belt on the fan. Only twist it that much. Got some decent deflection to it still. Let me start up and see if I can hear this noise.